எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்களிடம் MTD பற்றி கலைக்கிறேன். MTD, there's a two type of MTD. One for VAT, other one for self-employed. So self-employed means there's a two different type of self-employed: sole trader and land and property, rental income. So the new law from April onward, we got to submit quarterly income tax. Every 3 months, we got to submit your income tax plus VAT. So we are doing two type of work right now. One, we need to complete the VAT, and also I need to do the income tax. So now, this is your duty to give the invoice on time. If you don't supply invoice on time, we can't able to file MTD income tax. Also VAT. Same. And also if you don't file your income tax by 7th of August, then there is a fine for you, penalty for you. I am not responsible. That's your responsible. You need to cooperate with us to complete our work. If you are not supporting us, we can't able to do that. That up to you. Also, I notice number of people are buying VAT supply from a number of supplier which they are not providing invoice. What will happen now? I can't claim VAT. If you don't claim VAT, then you got to pay more VAT on that. Also, I can't put as a cost of sales that therefore your profit go up, your profit margin go up. On that basis, your corporation tax go up, your income tax go up. You can't ask us to adjust anything. We can't do that. Now it's a digital form. All the information going through HMRC digital format. That is called MTD, making tax digital. So everybody need to be careful on that. Also, you can't put any money which is not related to business related income, anything. Or any loan, you need to have documentation. Or any syndicate money, you need to have a documentation to cover what is the money come from. So property, now is another question. I look at the MTD today on the system, on their land and property. Then second question there, do you have overseas property? Now, whoever have overseas property or income, you make sure to declare. And also, I think whoever not declare rental income a number of years, this is a chance you need to do it. Otherwise, they will find out from their land registry how many property you have. So make sure this is an opportunity. Whoever not declare any rental income a number of years, this is a chance to go and file it. Otherwise, you will face heavy penalty and liability as well. So this is up to you. So whoever not declare, take this as the opportunity to file right now. And two type of MTD. One is VAT related, then other one is sole trader. Say also other one more thing. Whoever say from taxi driver, they are not registered for VAT. The taxi driver income, not net income, whatever the fee received from Uber or wherever, that's more than £50,000, then you need to quarterly, you need to file MTD income tax. If you are failed to do that, then you will get problem, because they can get the information from Uber, how much you earn, or any other source, they will find out. Then you got to make sure, find out your accountant and pay the QuickBook fee or zero, whatever you can do from that software only. So you got to pay the subscription, QuickBooks subscription, and you make sure to file your self-assessment, quarterly self-assessment on time, which is you're going to file 4 self-assessment quarterly. Then you got to do another final. So basically you're going to file 5 self-assessment return, tax return. 5 tax return you got to file, the quarterly 4 quarter. Then the accountant need to do any adjustment or anything mismatch, anything, we can adjust the final quarter. Then now your duty to give the information. Probably if you don't provide electricity bill, I can't claim VAT, I can't claim as an expense. Then your income tax going to be more. So make sure to give the electricity bill, make sure to give a telephone bill, make sure to give your petrol or any receipt, anything like that. Without receipt, we can't do that. Mainly our client web supply, which is I'm totally missing from a number of our customers. Now you're going to lose income tax, you're going to lose
Benefits.
VAT. So make sure, give me the when you are paying by bank account, make sure to get the invoice. First get the invoice and pay your bank payment. So otherwise don't do that, because when you get you buying web supply, which is your declaring it's going through your till. So your family go. Now there is no cash sales, everybody paying credit card or debit card. So 90% is a debit card transaction. So you think about that. So make sure to give the without any invoice, don't pay, don't buy. It's not worth it for you. Also, now you got to make sure your opening hours per week, how many opening hours. Per weekly, how many hours you're opening. Then make sure you should have managed employees. So if you have one employee, you're opening 122 hours or 112 hours, how you can manage run the business? So make sure somebody need to cover all the hours. So you are working 40 hours, you need to have another 2 people part-time to cover. Otherwise it's a problem.